guys, welcome to Ava and Bella Fun, and today we're going to be doing a makeup challenge. So what we're going to be doing is, my mom did this side of my face and I have to do the other side. So first I'm going to start off with this pink lipstick, and it looks very pretty. It looks so pretty. Whoa. Okay, so that part is done. Now we're going to move on to the next one. Okay, so I'm going to put on some eyeshadow. And my mom used like a light shade. It's like pink. I'm going to put it on. Looks so pretty. Does that look pretty? I don't know if this is even the right shade. I don't know. I don't think it is. It's okay. Whoa, it looks so pretty. Whoa, okay. Now, I'm going to do this. So this is like sparkles, and you have to put it like on your face, and I'm using this pink pretty brush. So let's switch. Look at it, it's so metallic sparkly. Whoa. Okay. Whoa, I put a lot on it. Oh. Whoa, it's so pretty. Like little sparkles flying around. Oh my god, it's really open. Sorry. Whoa. Okay, next. So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. So if you filled it in, so I'm not exactly good at this, but my first time trying, so yeah. My sister wanted to be in this video, but then she like kept on saying yes, and also it was kind of annoying. Wow, I think that looks so yay. Okay. Now I have to like brush it out very good. Yay. I think that's good. So what else did you do? Okay, I think this is the last thing. So oh no, that's the wrong side. So she put like mascara right there. Oh my god, looks so funny. Whoa. I forgot to say, make sure you comment down below and subscribe. I mean, subscribe, not comment down below. Whoa. Whoa, look at my side, look at her side. Who do you think is gonna win? Okay, that's all she did. So this is the end of the video, so make sure you subscribe. Bye!